Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power. Safety is not optional. Once the circuit is de-energized, strip about 1/4 to 3/8 inch of insulation so the copper is exposed but not frayed. Make sure both conductors are parallel and free of corrosion. This ensures good metal-to-metal contact when you insert them into the quick splice. Choose the splice sized for the wire gauge. Using the wrong size causes poor contact or damage. Keep hands steady. Align wires fully into the channel before closing the clamp. Once the wires are seated, fold the plastic housing over and press the metal contact down onto the conductors. This pierces insulation and creates the electrical connection. Use a pair of pliers and apply steady force until the tang is fully compressed. Half measures leave high resistance. Make sure the insulation rests beneath the housing lip so the cut is on conductor only. This prevents the metal from biting insulation instead. After crimping, give a light tug to confirm both wires are locked in and will not pull free. Now, once done, restore power and test the connection with a multimeter for voltage or continuity to confirm low resistance. This is your final verification step. If readings are good, protect the joint with heat shrink tubing or wrap with quality electrical tape. Seal out moisture and movement. If the splice shows intermittent contact or high resistance, power down again, cut out the splice, restrip about 0.5 to 1 cm of conductor, and use the correctly sized splice. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.